To understand what is beginning of this infinity universe, to explore this universe, our present scientific knowledge is not enough. For that, we are developing new kind of scientific principles and scientific theories. In that, one of the best theory is string theory. Hi friends, this is Pawan Space. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. Ancient Greek philosophers believed that our universe is made up with small tiny particles of pebbles. They called it atoms. In 1960s, after developing bosonic string theory, they found that the atoms are not only building blocks to this universe, but they are something deeper inside of atoms. They are called subatomic particles known as protons, neutrons and electrons. Everyone know up to this. Shall we go more deeper into this? Again, scientists developed that these protons, neutrons and electrons are made up of three elementary particles. They are called quarks. In a proton having two up quarks and one down quark. In a neutron having one up quark and two down quarks. Let me explain about this. From now, each word listen carefully. In early 1980s, scientists developed bosonic string theory and invented superstring theory. In superstring theory, explained about 10 dimensions. After developing it in M theory, scientists explained about 11 dimensions. But how the strings look like? This string is like a rubber band and it vibrates in a single dimension. This string is called Planck length. The Planck length doesn't divide into further. And the main point is we can't see the string with our naked eyes. Seeing is touching, an active process, not a passive one. This is not a problem with most of things. The particles are very small, so small that the electromagnetic waves we use it to see are too big to touch them. Visible light just passes over them. We can try to solve this by creating electromagnetic waves with more and much smaller wavelength. More wavelength means more energy. So when we touch a particle with a wave that has a lot of energy, it alters it. By looking at a particle, we change it. So we can't measure elementary particles precisely. So this fact is more important. So it has a name, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. This string is telling us it vibrates at a certain frequency. It can make an electron, it can make a proton and it can make a neutron. So like this, same string vibrates at a certain frequency and changes into different forms. So now we can get a question. How one string vibrates and turns into different shapes? See this example. Take a lightning incense stick in a dark room. First, it looks like a dot. Second, if you vibrate it, it forms like small lines. Third, if you vibrate it at a certain frequency, then it forms different shapes. One dot forms different lines and different shapes. Whenever it stops vibrating, again it turns into single dot. It is called light photogravity. Same principle works on strings. So like this, strings helps to form all elementary particles. That's all for today. In the next video, I will continue this topic and in that I will explain about supersymmetric string theory, complete M theory and 11 dimensions. In that I will explain about each 1 dimension to 11 dimensions. Stay tuned, drop a like and subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell. Share our valuable information with your friends and family. Stay home, stay safe. This is Pawan Space signing out. Jai Hind.